near the busy industrial zone. There lies a factory shaped by craftsmanship. A place untouched by hasty perfunctoriness. No hurry to show off its glory. Some say it feels like a cold workshop of machines, but I prefer to believe this is craftsmanship in its purest form. This is our whole house customization factory. Welcome to the realm of ingenuity. Here, the warm and mild hue of wood unfolds gradually across the workshop beneath your feet. Smooth wood panels, as if they carry the breath of distant forests. Grain lines winding like unspoken stories. And yet, humans have left their mark. A warm one. Boards neatly stacked, one after another, orderly arranged across the workshop. They look like silent promises, or perhaps poems carved in wood. Machine tools hum softly in the distance. Carpenters' hands glide over the wood. Standing among them, you can't quite tell. This is industry or something closer to art. There is no chaotic mess here. No harsh noise of recklessness. And yet, a quiet warmth rises within you. But it is not trivial, nor is it ordinary. Where machines hum and chisels sing, I hear the voice of craftsmanship most clearly.